Hello, and welcome back to Brainy. I wanted to create this video because many of you have been seeking advice on romantic relationships that leave you doubting yourself. Today, I'll share with you the 5 indicators that your relationship may be reaching its end. It's crucial to recognize these signs, even if accepting them is difficult. The fact that you're watching this video suggests that you're already contemplating the longevity of your relationship. While this may not necessarily be true, those thoughts that make you doubt yourself and exhibit clingy behavior can damage a healthy relationship. You now face a choice: either address the 5 aspects I'm about to discuss, or confront the truth and conclude the relationship yourself because it's reached its end. So, what are these 5 signs? Let's begin with the first one. Loss of self-identity. You don't feel like yourself anymore. In this relationship, you find yourself constantly walking on eggshells, unsure of how to behave in public or around your friends. Holding hands becomes a source of discomfort, and discussing your feelings becomes a challenge due to uncertainty about their reciprocation. When you can't be comfortable being your authentic self and must contort into someone you're not just to maintain peace, you ignite an internal war. Such relationships are destined to explode. The second sign is perpetual questioning. You are constantly questioning how to communicate. You're nervous about sending a text or asking to hang out, obsessing over whether they've opened your message or how long it takes them to reply. Perhaps they view your Instagram story but don't respond to your texts. In an unhealthy relationship, you spend more time questioning than engaging in effective communication. The third sign involves constant contemplation about the status of your relationship. You frequently ponder where the relationship stands. Questions such as, "Where is this going?" or "Are we exclusive?" dominate your thoughts. Uncertainty arises regarding introducing them to your family or taking them to work events. You're unsure about how to define your connection, and this lack of clarity jeopardizes the relationship's chances of survival. The fourth sign revolves around growing irritation. You're starting to feel increasingly annoyed. You find yourself ignoring their messages and claiming to be too busy to meet, attempting to send a message. You hesitate to commit to future plans due to the uncertainty surrounding your relationship's future. The adorable quirks that once made you laugh now irritate you. Moreover, if seeing their name on your phone or their arrival at the end of the day fills you with dread instead of excitement, it's a clear indication that you've moved on from this person. Lastly, the fifth sign involves questioning your shared values. You're beginning to question whether you and your partner hold the same values. If you sense that you're losing yourself, for instance, by adopting behaviors or interests solely to please them, such as drinking excessively, neglecting your friends, or compromising on personal activities, this signals a significant problem. If there isn't a healthy balance between the two of you, you'll perpetually feel like a lesser part of the relationship. Here's a simple test to determine if you're losing yourself. Spend an evening out alone with your friends. If it feels like a relief because you can finally be your authentic self, it's a sign that this relationship isn't right for you. Often, people mistake chemistry for compatibility. Chemistry may ignite like a match, but it eventually burns out. True compatibility means that you and your partner bring out the best in each other, enabling the relationship to endure. To recap, the 5 signs are: a loss of self-identity, constant questioning of communication, persistent uncertainty about the relationship's status, growing annoyance, and questioning shared values. Consider this a wake-up call. No doubt a truth hurts, but sometimes it's necessary to hear. I hope this video has helped you recognize when someone is no longer right for you. Now, it's up to you to accept it and move forward. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.